Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to implement a modern Android solution to detect internet connectivity and show a consistent offline UI across all screens using ViewModel and LiveData. So, let's get started. I've already created a simple project, but you can use any of your existing projects or just create a new one for learning purposes. Step 1. Designing the UI. We'll be implementing two styles of offline indicators. Each serves a different purpose. Style 1, subtle offline bar. This design is useful when you don't want to interrupt the user experience, but just want to notify them that the internet connection is unavailable. To create this, below your existing layout, add a linear layout. Inside it, place an image view and a text view. Use horizontal orientation. Set the image, its size, and scale type. Set the gravity of the linear layout to center. Customize the text color and size as per your design. Add the custom attribute Android Visibility and set it to Gone. In older versions of Sketchware, your custom attribute might look slightly different. Also, change the ID of the linear layout. Set the weight of your main content to 1. That's it for the subtle bar. Style 2, full screen offline message. This is a full screen overlay, useful when you want to strictly block users from using the app without an internet connection. To do this, add a linear layout, then convert it into a frame layout. Set the padding to 0. Change the ID. Add another layout inside it, give it a new ID. Add an image view and a text view. Set gravity to center. Customize them to match your app's theme. You can even apply a color tint to the image using hex codes. Again, in older Sketchware versions, the custom attribute might look different. If you want to reuse these layouts in other activities, add them to your collection. For better UX, set a background color and add an on-click listener to block interactions underneath. I'll skip that for now. Now, let's add both layouts to the main activity. Keep the bar layout above the main content and place the full screen one the same way we did earlier. Step 2. Implementing Internet connectivity detection. Now open JSP 2.0 app and copy the code provided. One, create a new Java class named Network ViewModel. Paste the code. Make sure the class name spelling matches exactly. Remove any template code except for the package declaration. Two, create another Java class named Network Change Receiver. Same process. Paste the code, match the class name, keep only the package line. Step 3. Integrating the logic and activity. In your activity's onCreate, paste the initialization code. You'll find a comment that says, "Do your stuff here." Split the code right there. Add an if statement to check connectivity. Inside it, add Boolean ASD. This is our Boolean. If the user is online, set your views to gone. If the user is offline, set them to visible. Now add the lifecycle methods. In onResume, add the code to register the broadcast receiver. In onPause, add the code to unregister it. Also, copy the import statements. To avoid errors, temporarily paste the code in your onCreate so you can grab the variable names and types. Declare two private variables, Network ViewModel Network Change Receiver. To apply this to other activities, add the onCreate, onResume, and onPause code to your collection. Go to the second activity, add these events, and import the code from the collection. And add the import statements. Declare the same variables Here, we have only one view, so remove the visibility changer for the second view. Repeat the process for the third activity as well. If you only use one layout, remove visibility toggles for the other. Repeat this for any other activities. Now, build and install the app. I'll share this project with you via the JSP 2.0 app and SketchUp. You'll find the links in the description. Watch what happens when I turn the internet off and on. Here's how Style 1 looks, a clean little bar. And here's Style 2, a full screen message that blocks everything. Pick whichever fits your app's needs. If this helped you, show your support by liking the video and sharing it with friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. That's it for today.